That thing in your cart right now? Leave it there for 24 hours. I will explain why this one dumb rule saves more money than any budget. Here is what is happening when you shop. You see the thing. And dopamine. Remember, the wanting chemical, not the happiness chemical, lights up like a stadium. Here is the prank though. Dopamine peaks at the moment of anticipation, not ownership. The high point of buying something is the moment right before you buy it. The chase is the treat, which is why the package arrives 3 days later and you feel administrative about it. You already spent the joy. Stores know this. That is why everything screams now. Only 3 left. Sale ends tonight. Someone in Ohio bought this 4 minutes ago. Urgency is not information. It is anesthesia for the thinking part of your brain. Nobody wants you to sleep on it, because sleep is where impulse purchases go to die. So, the 24-hour rule. Want something? Fine. Cart it, close the tab, set a timer, walk away. You are not saying no. Telling yourself no triggers rebellion. You are saying yes, tomorrow. The toddler part of the brain accepts this deal surprisingly well. Then, at hour 24, ask 3 questions. 1. Do I still want it at full price? Would I buy it without the countdown clock? 2. Where does it live? Can I name the drawer, the shelf, the corner? If it has no address, it is clutter with a receipt. 3. What does it replace or fix? What actual problem does it solve that I had before I saw it? Still yes to all 3? Buy it. Genuinely. Enjoy it. Zero guilt. This rule is a filter, not a prison. But watch how often the 24-hour version of you just shrugs. That shrug is free money. Subscribe now, or sleep on it, and subscribe tomorrow. We respect the rule here. See you in the next scribble.